students, welcome to CKRA online classes. So students, this video is for your solution part of your exercise 1.3. Yesterday we did the exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2. Today we are going to discuss about the exercise 1.3. So let's come to your number 1. So your question number 1 is what? Make a place value table to write the given numbers. So here some numbers are given, some large numbers are given. So for this number you have to make a place value chart. Put commas to write them according to their period, and you have to put commas according to their period. So in a number we have how many periods? 1, 2, 3, 4 periods. In one's period there are 3 place, 100's place, 10's place and 1's place. In one's period this is your periods and these are the places. So in one's period there is 100 place, 10's place and 1's place. And in 1000's period there is 10,000's place and 1000's place. And in lakhs period there is 10 lakhs and lakhs. In crore periods 10 crores and crores. Okay, so according to this question we have to draw a chart like this. Okay, you have to draw a chart like this and write the numbers this side. Okay, first write the number this side. Next put the digits according to their place. Okay, let's do your first number. Your first number is here 3, 4, 5, 8, 6 digits are present. So 6 is in which place? 6 is in your 1's place. So you have to write this 6 in the 1's place. Always write the digit from right to left. Don't write the number from left to right. Okay, हमें क्या करना है? पीछे से लिखना स्टार्ट करेंगे, आगे से मत लिखना. So your last number, that is 6. It is a which place? 1's place. So write down 6 and 1's place. Next 8. 8 is a 10's place. So write here 8. Next in 100 place there is 5. 1000 place 4 and the 10,000 place 3. So your number is 34. Here in 1000 periods there is 2 digits, that is 3 and 4, 34. So it is 30. So you have to read this as together 34,586. So the number is 34,586. Now put the comma on the number according to their period. Here in one's period, in first period there is 3 digits, 5, 8 and 6. So put a comma after 3 digits. Okay, next period is your 1000's period. In 1000's period there is 2 digits. So keep as it is. Next come to the another number. In this number in one's place there is 4. So write here 4. Next 10's place 5. In 100's place 2. In 1000's 0. Next 8. Next 6. Next 1. Next 7. Next 2. Okay, now read this number. How can you read this? First look here. In crore periods how many digits are there? 2 digits. 2 and 7, 27. So it is 27 crores. 1 and 6, 16. So 16 lakhs 80,254. Okay, now put the comma according to their periods. In one's period there is 3 digits. So put a comma after 3 digits. Next period is 1000's period. In 1000 period there is 2 digits. So put after 2 digits. Next period there is also 2 digits. Okay, so we have put commas according to their periods. Next come to the another number. Okay. crore periods there is 11. So 11 crores, 11 lakh, 11,684. So your number is 11 crores, 11 lakh, 11,684. Now put the commas. In one's period there is period is always put a comma from right side after 3 digits. Next after 2 digits. Okay. Next come to the another number. Here in one's place there is 7. Next 9. Next 8. Next 7. 3. Next 9. 0 and 7. Okay. So this number is here. Look here. In crore place only one digit is present. Another 10 crores place is absent. So this is 7 crore. 0 and 9. So 9 lakhs 37,897. Now put a comma after 3 digits. Put a comma next to 2 digits. Okay. So in this way you do all the numbers from your exercise 1.3 number. Okay. Here many numbers are here. I did only 4 numbers. Other numbers do by yourself. Okay. Okay student, now come to your number 2. Okay. So your number 2 is write the number names for the following. Here some numbers are given and for this number you have to write the names of the number. Okay. So how can you write the number names? First, to know the name of any number you have to remember the place where you check. Then you will do very easily. Okay, let's come to the number 2. This is number. This number and this is number name. Okay, so your first number is 71 crore 26 lakh 55,894. This is your A number. So how can you write this number? First, look here the first period. In first period, here this period is which period? This is one's period, thousand period, lakhs period. This is your crore period. ऐसा होता है नहीं? अभी हम फर्स्ट 1 नंबर करके दिखाए थे कि पीरियड कितने पीरियड्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट पीरियड में 3 प्लेस होते हैं. सेकंड थाउजेंड पीरियड में 2 प्लेसेस होते हैं एंड नेक्स्ट में भी तुम्हारा कितना प्लेस होता है? 2 प्लेस होता है. क्रोर में भी तुम्हारा 2 प्लेस होता है. सो दिस इज योर क्रोर पीरियड. सो फर्स्ट राइट डाउन दिस नंबर. दिस नंबर इज 71. सो राइट हियर फर्स्ट 71 and the period is what? This period is ones, next thousand, next what? Lakh, next crore. So 71 crores. 71 crores. Next, this is your lakh period. In lakh period there is 26. So right here 26 lakhs. Okay. So in lakhs period there is 26. So you have to write 26 lakhs. Next come to the thousand period. In thousand period there is 55. 55,000. Next 55 is over. Next come to ones place. This is how much? 894. So write here 800 94. This is the number name for this number. Okay. crores. 6 crores. But next come to the lakh period. In lakh period there is 1. So right here 1 lakh. Sorry, 1 lakh. There is 47,000. 47,000. Next is in 1 period there is 850. So right here 850. Okay. So this is the number name for this number. Okay. D number also. Sorry, this one is D number. Okay. This is your D number. Next, C number also very easy. Do it by yourself. E number also. Next, come to the F number. Okay. F number is 40, 20, 41, 862. Okay. Now here in your growth period there is 40. So right here 40 crores. Next lakh period there is 20. So right here 20 lakhs. Next 41,000. 41,000. And last one is 862. So right here 862. Okay, this is the number name for this number. Okay, students. So there is many numbers given. So you do all the numbers by this way. Okay. First you look for the 1 period, next 1000 periods, next 20. Sorry, lakh periods, next crore periods. In this way, by their periods, you have to write the number next. Okay. Next come to the number 3. Okay. Here number 3 is write the number for the following with comma in correct place. Okay. Here already number name is given, but you have to write the numbers for this number name and put comma according to their period. Okay. Let's do the number 3. Okay. So your A number is what? 6,22,466. Now you have to write the number for this number name. So first period is your lakh. In lakh period there is 6. So write here 6. Okay. Next this is period. Next 22. This is your 1000 period. So next write down 22. Next number is 4 and period is 100. Right here 4 and last one is 66. Okay. So this is the number or numeral for this number name. Next put comma according to their period. So in first put comma after 3 digits, next after 2 digits. I told you that according to their period you have to put the comma. So in 1 period there is 166, 466. 1 period is in 1000 period there is 22. So put comma after 22. Next in lakh period only 6. So there is 6. Okay. Next come to the B number. Here the number name is 70 crore 57 write here 70. Okay. Next, after crore there comes lakhs period, but here lakhs period is absent. After crore there is a thousand period. So for lakh period you have to put 2 0 because in lakh period there is 2 place, so we have to write the 2 0. Next, lakh is complete. Next comes the thousand. In thousand period there is 57, so write here 57. Next, in one period there is 600 and 7. So how can you write the 607? 607 because there is no tens place, so you have to write 0 for the tens place. Now put the comma, first 3 digit, next after 2 digit, so after 2 digits. Okay, next come to the C now. Here in crore period there is 9, so write down 9 first. Okay, next in lakh, after crore there is lakh, and lakh also there is 9, but in lakh period we have 2 place, so 9 is a single digit, but in lakh period there must be 2 digit. So first put a 0 before the number, then we will get 9 lakh. Okay, next 89,000. Here 89 is number, and in thousand period there is 89. Next is 900. Next last you have to write 900. One sentence is absent, 100 is 9, so it is 900, 9 and 0. Now put comma after 3 digits and 2 digits, next 2 digits. Okay, next come to the D number. Here number name is 67,34,211. So first write down 67 for lakh period. After lakh there is 1000, so in thousand period there is 34. Next in one period 211. Now put comma after 3 digit, next 2 digit. Next come to the E number. Here the number name is 8 crore, 2 lakh, 12,000 and 516. So first write down the crore period number. Here 8. Next in lakh period there is 2. Only single digit is present, so you have to make it 2 digit. So put 0 before the number. Okay, next 12,000. We want to 12,000. Okay, next 516. 516. Now put comma after 3 digit, next 2 digit. These are the numbers for these all the number names. Okay, students. Next, come to your number 4. Number 4 is what? Rima bought a TV for rupees 32,712. Okay, Rima bought a TV in 32,712 rupees. This is the cost price of, or the price of the TV. Next, she wrote a check for the shopkeeper. Next, she gave a check to the shopkeeper for payment. Next, Okay. So here cost of the TV is how much? The cost of the TV is 32,000. 32,712. Okay. So for this number then the number is 32. First write down 32. This is 1000 place. Next number is 7. So write down 700. How much? 12. So this is the actual price or cost of the TV. Okay. So write your friends. CS written incorrect cost of the TV. This is the answer. Okay. Next come to your number 5. Raman was doing his GK assignment. Okay. Raman is doing his GK assignment. He took his father's help to know the airfare of USA. Okay. Next, he took help of his father to know the airfare of USA. His father told him it is rupees 39,677 for one person. So his father told him that it is rupees 77 for one person. Next, he wrote this 39,677 in his answer sheet. Okay. Next, was he right or wrong? So here these two numbers are similar or different, same or not? These are the same. Okay. If wrong, write the correct answer. But here his father that told the cost is same as he written on his answer sheet. So there is no mistake. So for that you have to write number 5. His father told how much rupees? 39,677, which is equal to the number name 39,677. So this is correct. Now hence you have to write hence he was right. This is the final answer. Okay students, with this number your exercise 1.3 is over. Okay, next come to your exercise 1.4. Okay, let's come to your exercise 1.4. That is page number 18. Okay, so read the question number 1. Find the place value of the underlined digit in the given numbers. Here some numbers are given and in this numbers some digits are underlined. Okay, so for this underlined digit you have to find out the place value. Again you find out the place value. Do you know about this? I already told you. 6,847. And here the underlined digit is 7. So for this number, for this 7, the place value is what? 7. How can you write the place value? First you have to write the digit. Then after that, if there is some digit are left, then for that digit you have to put 0. But there is after 7 there is no digit, so you simply write the 7. So place value of 7 here is 7. Next come to the B number. Here 61 crore 32 lakh 35,841, and the underlined digit is 6. Now write this 6 first, and after that there is how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So put here 8, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the place value of 6 in this number. Next come to the C number. Here there is 88 crore 85 lakh 87,651, and the underlined digit is here is this 8. Okay, so first write this digit here, and after that how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write here 7, 0, 5, 6, 7, 0. This is the place value of this number. Okay. Next, there is so many numbers are given, and do in this way by the do other numbers by yourself. Okay. Next come to the number 2. Number 2 is what? Expand the given numbers. Expand means what? You have to write the place value of each digit here. Okay. Let's do it. Number 2. First is 84,145. Okay. Next, expand this number. First, write the first digit here 8. After that there is 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So write 4, 0 for that. Next plus, next 4, 1, 2, 3. So write here 3, 0. Next 1. Next 2, 0 because there is 2 digits. Next 4. After that there is 1 digit. So write here 1, 0. Next is 5. After 5 there is no digit. So you have to write only 5. Okay. Next, do other numbers by yourself. These are very easy number. I am doing another number, that is D. 78 crore 39 lakh 62,358. Okay. So here first write down the first digit here 7. After that there is how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 8. After 8 there is 7, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again put a plus symbol. 3 after 3 there is 6, 0. Next after 9 there is 5, 0. Next 6 with 4, 0 plus 2 with 3, 0 plus 3 with 2, 0 plus 5 with 1, 0, and last at last you have to write the single digit, that is 8 here. Okay, so in this way do other number by yourself. Okay, I am doing another number, that is I number. I number, look here, there is 88 crore, let place is 0, next 56,871. write 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next, there is 0. For this 0, you have to write only single 0, and again write for this single 0. Next 5. After 5, how many digits are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 4 0 plus 6 with 3 0 plus 8 with 2 0. Next 7 with 1 0, and at last there is 1. So in this way do other numbers by yourself. Okay. Next come to the number 3. Here already the question, the numbers are given in the expanded form, and for this expanded form you have to write the numbers. Okay, look here. These are the expanded form of a number, and for this you have to write the number. So first, let's do it. Number 3. A number is 80,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 1. Okay. So I have to write the only the first digit of all the numbers. Here first digit is 8, and in next number 3, in next number 5, in next number 2, next 1. So this is the number for this expanded form of this number. Next, come to the F number. Okay, do B, C, D, E number by yourself. Okay, next come to the F number. Here F number is 20,000 plus 8,000 plus 0, 100. 100 plus 0, next 70 plus 4. Okay, for this, first write the first digit here, 2. Next is 8, and in this place there is no another digit, so you have to write here 0, next 7, next 4. This is the number for this expand form. Okay. So students, in this way do other number by yourself. Okay. Next come to the 4 number. Write the greatest 8-digit number made up of these digits. Here some digits are given. There is 9 digits are given, but you have to make 8-digit number. So the question is now you have to make the 9-digit number. Cross it, and for this you have to write a 9-digit number. So for the number 4 you have to write 9-digit number. Okay. So here the digits are 5. Digits are 5, 3, 8, 2, 5, 6, 4, 7 and 9. Okay. So greatest. How can you write a greatest number? For writing a greatest number, for making a greatest number, you have to arrange the digit in descending order. Descending means greater to smaller number. Okay, so from this digit, which one is greatest digit? There is 9. Next is 8. Next 7. 6. Next 5. Next 4. Next 3. Sorry. There is 2, 5. Okay, so right here 2, 5. Next 4. Next 3. Next 0, 2. Next put comma according to their period. Okay, so the number is 98 crore 76 lakhs 55,432. Okay, next come to the number 5. Number 5 is what? Write the smallest 7-digit numbers made up of these digits. Here 7 digits are given and you have to make the smallest 7-digit numbers. While you are making smallest number, you have to arrange the digit in ascending order, then you will get the smallest number. Okay, let's do it. Digits are here. What? 8, 3, 1, 0, 4, 2 and 9. And the 7-digit smallest 7-digit number is first arrange this digit in ascending order. So first will come 0, next 2, next 1, next 2, next 3, 4, 8, next 9. But one thing is here that when you have 0 in your digit, then put the 0 on the second place, then we will get the what? Smallest number. Here we have written 1 and 0. Now exchange them. Here 1 and here 0. So this is the smallest 7-digit number made from these digits, and the number is how much? 10,23,489. Okay students, so with this number your exercise 1.4 is over, and in next class we will do exercise 1.5 and exercise 1.6. Okay, thank you, have a good day.